Hi, my name is William and I'm from Cork, and I'm capturing this video today as part of a little project that Passage Biodiversity Group, SECAD's Wildwork Initiative and UCC are doing. And what we're trying to do is capture nice nature footage that we can share with people who are interested or who may not be able to access nature. Perhaps they're elderly, or they might have some type of an illness or a disability. So this footage, we're trying to develop something that could be useful for those people. And I've stopped here at this point because I've noticed a nice plant or a bush called the dog rose or the wild rose. Beautiful fresh green leaves growing in this part, but sharp thorns that you don't want to get stuck into your skin. And then there's a more mature branch coming up behind. What you can see is loads of lovely red berries. So these berries are rose hips, wild ones. And from what I've been told, during the war years when there was food shortages, the people of Britain were given documentation from the government how to go out into the countryside and harvest these berries and make a really delicious and nutritious drink that had lots of vitamin C in it. The berries are really delicious, but it's best to wait till they're ripe, really ripe. They almost get an alcohol quality in them. If I try to eat one of these now, you'll see what's on the inside. I just spat out the other half deliberately, because you can see in the seeds there are little hairs. And I haven't tried it, but if you ingest this whole fruit, those little hairy seeds get into your stomach and they can be quite irritating. So the story goes. So what people were told to do in harvesting of these is collect a load of them, boil them up and strain out the juice, and then it's the juice you use, and there's no fear of the hairy seeds causing you any tummy trouble. When I stop here and think about these berries, it also strikes me that going back through many generations in the land of Ireland, hunter-gatherer people would have eaten these too. These are native to Ireland. So I wonder what they did. Did they just eat the whole lot? Did they have hardy stomachs? Or do they have some sort of a technique which we've forgotten about, or which many of us have forgotten about? Perhaps they just chew on the whole fruit for a while and make sure not to swallow it. You'll get the juicy flavour and spit it out, so the seeds don't go in your tummy. Or maybe they just nibble around the edges. I've done that a few times and it works quite well. So I hope that this dog rose is inspiring some thoughts in your own head watching this, and perhaps you've had a relationship with this plant too in the past. We'd love to hear more from people who have some knowledge about this plant, so don't be shy about getting in touch. Me and the beautiful rosehip. Bye. Bye for now.